Hello everyone. I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats with sample questions 231 to 242. Find the value of the given expression. Minus 99 plus 98, then minus 97 plus 96, minus 95 plus 94. If I can make pairs like this, then each pair is ending with minus 1, isn't it? So it is minus 1, then again minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 for 4 pairs. Answer should be minus 4. So what are the options? The value of the given expression is less than minus 1. Yes, it is less than minus 1. Or equals to minus 1, or more than minus 1. More than minus 1 means we are moving towards positive direction. So obviously answer is minus 4. It is less than minus 1. Option A fits in. Which one of the following numbers cannot be written as the sum of two odd numbers? Sum of two odd numbers is always an even number, isn't it? 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 7, 10, anything. Sum of two odd number is always an even number. Then out of the given four option A is even, B is even, C is odd, and D is also even. That means option C, that is 8047, can never be written as sum of two odd numbers. Option C fits in. What is the sum of all prime factors of 1995? Prime factor means all the prime number which can divide 1995. It is divisible by 5, 3 times 49, 9, and then 9. It is divisible by 3, 1, 3, 3. Now if I divide by 7, 1 time, and then 63 is 19, and 19 is a prime. That is 1995 is 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1 into 19 to the power 1. These are the four prime number which can divide 1995 without leaving any remainder. What is the sum of all prime factors? So sum is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 19 is 34. Option B fits in. Which one of the following options should come in place of this asterisk sign in the statement given below such that this statement is valid? 36 plus 18 into or something 3 into 8 minus 1 is 83. Now can I use this? Plus 1, this becomes 84, minus 36, 84 minus 34 is 48. Then it is multiplication by 8. Let's divide this by 8. It becomes 6. So 18 something 3 should be equals to 6. And that is only possible when this asterisk sign is replaced by a division sign. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Option D fits in. If 0.034 divided by y square is equals to 3.4, that means 34 divided by 1000. Now we have into 10 by 34 equals y square, isn't it? So y square is 1 by 100, or y is 1 by 10. We need to find the value of y plus y divided by y minus y into y. If we use BODMAS rule, we have to divide first. Y divided by y will give you 1, y plus 1 minus, now we can multiply these two, y square. So answer should be y plus 1 minus y square. Okay, y is 0.1 plus 1 minus y square is 0.01. 1.1 minus 0.01 should give us 1.09. Option B fits in. If the cost of 2 1 by 4 kg, 2 1 by 4 means 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4 kg is rupees 180. Then the cost of 4.5 kg of rice, 4.5 kg is 9 by 2. Be 180 divided by 9 by 4 into 9 by 2. 180 into 4 by 9 into 9 by 2. If I cancel out, that gives me rupees 360. Option D fits in. If P equals to 6 and Q is 4, then what is the value of P cube minus Q cube? And if I see, they have given option with help of P minus Q cube. So first of all, what is P minus Q? P minus Q is 2. 2 cube is 8. So one of the part of answer is 8. How much is 6 cube minus 4? 6 cube is 216 and 4 cube is 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. So when we deduct 6 minus 4 is 2 and this is 15. 152. So 152 divided by 8 is 1 time and 72 9 times 19. That means option D fits in. What is 111% of a number? 111% means 111 by 100 of a number. If 143 is 11% of that number. If 11% of that number, that is 11 by 100A equals 143. So A is 143 into 100 by 11. Therefore 111% is 111 by 100 into 143 into 100 by 11. This is 1 and 3. So 111% of the number is 13 into 111. 13 into 111 is 1443. Option B fits in. If 6 men can do a piece of work in 16 days, then 24 men can do the same piece of work in how many days? We know the drill. It is M1D1 equals to M2D2. 16 into 6 equals D into 24. D is 16 into 6 by 24. 6 24 cancel 4 times and 4 will cancel out 16 4 times again. So D is 4 days. Option A fits in. If set A has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 elements and one other set B has 1, 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Then what is A intersection B? A intersection B means elements which are common to both sets A and B. And the common elements are 6, 8, 10 and 14. So A intersection B is a set of 6, 8, 10 and 14. Now what is asked? Then A intersection B has how many elements? Cardinal count of A intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There are 4 elements in the set A intersection B. Option B fits in. P, Q, R are 3 numbers such that LCM of P and Q is Q. LCM of P and Q is Q. That means Q is multiple of P, isn't it? Maybe like K times P. Suppose we have 2 and 4, then LCM would be 4 because 4 is 2 times 2, multiple of 2. And the LCM of Q and R is R. LCM of Q and R is R. That means R is multiple of Q. Now R is multiple of Q, Q is multiple of P. Then we can say that instead of Q I can write Kp, or let it be K1. It can be written as K1 K2P. That means R is also multiple of P. Now, what is the sum of HCF of the three numbers? First, what is the HCF of PQR? Now we can answer. HCF of PQR is P, because P is common factor among these three numbers. Now LCM of PQR would be common factor first, then K1 is common in these two, and then K2. So what is this? K1 into K2 into P, which is nothing but K2 into Q, which is nothing but R, isn't it? So sum of HCF and LCM should be P plus R. Option C fits in. In a particular type of fertilizer, the ratio of two chemicals A and B is 15:17. In 224 kg of this fertilizer, so we have 224 kg of this fertilizer, so A should be 15 plus 17 is 32 into 224, and then 16 7 times is 112. 15 into 7 is 105 kgs. So B should be, either you can find like this, 114 minus 105. It's simple. It should be 119 kgs, or that's simply 17 by 32 into 224. Now what's happening? In 224 kg of this fertilizer, if 12 kg of chemical A, so now chemical A we have 105 plus 12, and 11 kg of chemical B is added. B now we have 119 plus 11. So A now we have 117 kgs and B 130 kgs. So what is the ratio of chemical A to chemical B in the new fertilizer? A by B is 117 by 130. 117 is 13 times 9 and 130 is 13 times 10. If I cancel out 13, left with 9 by 10. So the new ratio of the two chemicals in the new mixture is 9:10. Since it is an open one, answer need to be typed in is 9:10. Thank you everyone. Feel free to talk to us. Subscribe to our channel. It's MJ Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. The Telegram number and the email ID is there on your screen. Feel free to talk to us. I'm Mohit Jain, signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. Thank you.